On the 21st of April 2023, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Tarwal Khan, had inspected the commercial establishments and shops situated at the bazaar area of Them Yau Maulong and conducted an eviction drive of street hawkers in the area. He was accompanied by SAM of Himamalem, Aina Manik SAM, ministers of the SAM of Himamalem, and other government officials. Speaking to reporters, Titos Khan said that while the eviction drive has been conducted, yet it is imperative that local hawkers are not to be chased out or sent away, as most of them belong to marginalized families and shopkeeping is their only means of earning a livelihood.
Hamla benda kena kedokti anu rengasu ba yamantai tongin ya simlang ya kecil kecil ba nadu usiam ke Himamalem ki menteri nang taki enforcement ki jungiru iba nakapor sekapor ki ju lej ya kakam ke jongki inre ngai iba kalong kumju si kumju jatuh kadau nakaliang jungi ke isi mentang ya simklia bagi enforcement ki jungiru kita ben pendekam hok ya kakam ke bagi tray ndai tang ba suong ba ilayu okam kalabiang mereka di Menteri Kam hop ke jimut enforcement kalau buat Menteri Kam yang ini ke ain ke pengidon ke trading by non tribals hak ba minum ailat ikipri ki berapa bakin syuan ban kai paten yang ini gari ke jungi kam dayo ya ke trading masa dan yang itu ke por pat ke nongrim hi ke jungi ke isi ke lompat ndai bangi ong ba ngikwa ya we pu we dokhar lani brio benabar ba unyo trading masa ke taru kam dai ke jimut jungi ke jimut di kelomban penduna dengan sultanat mentang sini kelomba hadin pun senam banga GE begini gimadan gimadia kehidupan ke jusyong de kibril kana ba dan renga sultanat entah banga i pardok persenam lecong ba kiyo bansyong ba kendong hakin surat bansing i hapan ya na ketui ki pai baru ba kinia snok tilang namar ba ka pertai menta kalong kebatan dengan isen ya kiru bangin suong ba kisyong hasurok ide ban be no ya kiru reha bagi dei pardok persenam jungi na ketui ki pai baru kendai banda Suwit yaki na marpa kiru kiwan hangiban kamay kendoi jakpo.